here is Live Status widget app. Let's explore how to use it. So you have like 3 tabs here. So you have camera, which you can use, you can draw, and you can just write text. So for example, if you just tap on camera, you can just take a photo. You can select who you want to send it to. On the top left, you can select if you want to send it to yourself. And then, yeah, for example, you can just select here. Let's just do it. So these are your friends and this is yourself. And after that, you will just be sending this image. As well, you can just send text, or you can just send like some drawing and all of that. But also you need to make sure that you are installing widgets. So just tap and hold and search for Live Status. There are like 3 types of widgets. There is widget with 1 image, small one. There is bigger widget. And then there is like a Live Status bigger widget, but with 4 accounts. So it just depends like what you like. Yeah, you can just install the small one. And as you can see, because I just sent this photo to myself, then it just appears on my home screen. So that's basically how it works. Of course, if you send it to your friends, then it will just appear on your friends' screens. So yeah, something like that. You can create a group from your friends. You can see here, you can invite friends, you can search for friends here. And then that's basically how you use Live Status widget. Maybe it's like a competitor app to Locket widget, where you can just send camera photos. And then there is also Noted widget app, where you can send drawings. So this app is kind of a combination of those two.